Assalamualaikum friends, subscribe my channel online malumat. If you like this video, then like and share this video. Now I'm going to show you the video. Headless out in cricket history, distance between ball and bat is 1 feet, but umpire decision is out. Let's see what happened there. If you want to watch the real video of this incident happened, then go to my description and click the link of this video. But here I am telling the detail of this out decision, why umpire gave out this unbelievable out, where the distance between ball and bat is 1 feet, but umpire decision out. This happened in county cricket. The bowler is Muhammad Akram, Pakistani ex-fast bowler Muhammad Akram. This match was played before 10 years. This match played in 2017. Muhammad Akram said that he don't know how this video viral in 2017. Muhammad Akram said that when he was played county cricket, something happened there. On his first two ball, he appealed, but umpire decision not out. The third game, when I was the batsman gone out. I don't know why umpire gave out him, but I think umpire was in pressure. That's why umpire do out in my third delivery. So friends, if you want to see this video, then go to my description in this video and click on the link and where you find this video. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.